Welcome back for engineering visualization channel. Now we are going to see another type of problem in prisms for section of the solids. Okay, first now we are going to look into the problem. So in this problem they have given square prism. Okay, sides of sphere faces 40 mm and height 60 mm, rest with its base on HP with a vertical face inclined at 30 degree to VP. So we need to construct a square prism, so which is of dimension 40 and height 60, rests with its base on HP with a vertical face inclined at 30 degree to VP. So first we are going to construct top and front view. Okay, first I'll construct XY line, X, VP, HP and Y, and here it is resting with an inclination of 30 degree to VP, vertical face. We have to make sure that vertical face of the resting edge has to have 30 degree to the VP. So like a reference point, placing the protector and marking for 30 degree. Okay, so here (30°), and this should be have a dimension of 40. Now we have to place the resting edge here. I'll place it here. This is and this is okay. Now keep the protector here. 90, 90. Okay, length should be 40 mm. We should consider. Okay, okay, so we can give the namings here. For the top face A, B, C, D, and for the bottom face A1, B1, C1, D1 within brackets. Here the dimension it is 40 mm. Okay, so to find out the center of the prism, we are going to draw a thin line here. Okay, not the thick line. Remember it, in the case of prism we are going to draw the thin lines. In the case of pyramid it is a thick line because those are the slant edges. Okay, so now do the projection. So projection should be thin line. Okay, okay, now the height we should consider, that is 60 mm, the axis. Okay, now the length should be 60 mm. So 60. So A dash, B dash visible, C dash, D dash not visible. In same way, A1 dash visible, B1 dash visible, C1 dash visible, D1 dash not visible. Similarly, O1 dash and O dash also not visible. So we have done with the top and front view. Now it is cut by a plane inclined at 50 degree to VP and perpendicular to HP. Perpendicular to HP means like this. Okay, it is cutting like this, perpendicular to HP, and it is 15 mm from the axis. So 15 mm from the axis means, so I'll take a compass, measure 15 mm and I'll draw one circle. The same type of problem we did one of the problem like this. Okay, 15 mm radius you take and draw one circle. Okay, okay, this is R15, so I can mention this is R15. Now here with respect to this one, so we have to draw an angle line that has to touch this circle. Okay, so we have to see, so angle of inclination, it is 50 degree, so it will be here. So you can mark this is your point. Okay, so I can extend this. Here, yes, this is having 50 degree, so we can extend this cut plane line 2 dash line 2 dash line, then the line. So here this is yes, here also yes. So section plane, it is cutting here. Okay, so now we can mention the cut points. Here this is 1, so we are going to project it upward where exactly it is cutting. Can identify. So from here, so this is your sectional front view. Okay, this is your sectional front view. So I can mention the naming. This is 1. Okay, this is the point number 1 we have mentioned, and this is your point number 2, and this is point number 3, this is point number 4. So 1 it is cutting at the top end, and 2 it is cutting at the top end, and 3 is cutting here bottom, and 4 at the bottom. So the bottom one we are mentioned within brackets here. Okay, so now using the protractor we are going to mention the 90 degree points. Okay, parallelly here to the section plane, I'm going to draw another x1 y1 line. Okay, now by measuring, so this one I'll be consider as 1 and 4. This is 1 and this is 4. I have to measure that 60 mm. Okay, it is also having the same length, 60 mm. I'll measure here only and mention it 60. If you measure here also, it is the same length. Okay, so this is 2 and this is 3. Now you hatch it. So this is your sectional top view. Okay, so procedure is very simple, guys. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubts, you can comment it in the comment section. So subscribe for the channel and hit on the bell icon for the latest notifications. Okay, and share it to the maximum students so that they can be benefited. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Thank you all.